So are you looking to get more followers on TikTok, and do you want to see me grow a brand new TikTok account from 0 to 1,000 followers in just 7 days? Well, in this video, we're going to talk about day 2 about growing a brand new account from 0 to 1,000 followers. Yesterday was day 1. I'm documenting every single day the stats, the followers, what type of posts, what type of hashtags that I'm targeting and able to grow an account from 0 to 1,000 followers. If you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and on this channel I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, but I have a ton of videos on how to grow an online business, how to start a YouTube channel, and of course how to use TikTok to grow and monetize an online business. So if you guys want to learn more, please subscribe to the channel. Let's go ahead and get started. I just want to go through some of the stats from yesterday and show you what happened with day 1. All right, so first of all, I do want to talk about kind of how I set up my profile and how I did all that before I get into the actual stats. So just remember, guys, that my main niche is high ticket affiliate marketing. Of course, I have a bunch of sub niches, and I talk about this in day 1. So I'll let you guys go watch day 1, and I go more deep into that. And then, of course, I set up a profile with the bio. This is my official bio. You can see here 99 followers after day 1, over 1,000 likes. And so that's already set up. And then, of course, I signed up for a TikTok Pro account so I could track the analytics. All right, so that's something that I talk about more deep into, yesterday's video, day 1. But let's talk about the actual content strategy for day 2. Okay, so today the goal is to make at least 10 TikTok posts. Now, yesterday the goal was to make 10, and I actually only got 5 or 6. I can't remember, but I didn't get 10. 10 is actually a lot to get. Especially because I have other accounts. I have my YouTube channel, but I'm still gonna try to get to that 1,000 followers in 7 days. And to do that, I believe I have to get at least 10 TikTok posts today, which is a little tricky because I'm actually going to the lake here in a little bit. But I think I'm gonna sit down and batch some TikTok posts for the next hour or so, and then kind of post them throughout the day. And you can definitely do that on TikTok, which is really nice. Okay. Now, I did talk about the types of posts I'm going to be posting. I talked about the ones highlighted here yesterday, but the ones right here, the ones that are bold, these are ones that I'm going to start implementing in my TikTok posts, okay? So if you don't know what these are, I talked about them yesterday in day number 1, which I'm not going to mention here today, but for these new ones here, okay, comment baiting, it says comment bait or comment baiting. What this is it's basically making a post where you get people to comment, okay, and that gets TikTok to basically boost your post. And I'll show you, I had one where I got a ton of comments on it. I'm actually going to follow up, okay, so that's another one that I'm going to talk about tomorrow for day 3 is the follow-up comment baiting. But anyways, what this one does is you ask a very very engaging question where you get people to comment, and you say, hey, if I get at least 50 people to comment, I'm going to do this for you. And I'm going to show you an example of that, okay? Another one is a controversial post. These do very well because you got one side of people on your side, and you got another side of people hating on you. What that causes is people to just comment and blow up your that specific post, okay? So that's another one I'm going to look to do. Another one is a user comment reply. These are actually new on TikTok, which is actually really powerful. So let's just say someone comments on your post. You can actually make a video where you're commenting back, where you make a video specifically for that comment, which is actually pretty cool. So I'll show you what that looks like here in a little bit. But those are the 3 new posts that I'm going to be targeting for day 2. All right. Now, hashtag strategy is going to stay the same. Like I said, if you haven't gone through my actual algorithm video where I talk about the hashtag strategy and the batch theory, all that stuff, make sure to go to my YouTube channel. And I believe it was a video talking about the TikTok algorithm where I talk about the strategies. I'm not going to go into that now. That's a whole video in itself. But you can see, I believe, yeah, this one right here, TikTok algorithm updates. And I talk about how the TikTok algorithm works. All right, so I'm not going to talk about that. But my hashtag strategy, I'll show you once I show you the videos. And of course, all my videos have these 3 elements. It has a hook, a way to get someone to stop scrolling. it has some sort of value or a story about myself, and then an offer at the end. The offer could be, like this video, comment, go to this link, whatever it is, okay? Okay, so let's get to the actual stats. So I'm promoting one main product here, and it's this link right here. I specifically made this link just for this TikTok account. As you know, on my regular TikTok account, you can see I've had almost 12,000 views just with my main account. Now, I always preach that you can still get link clicks even without a link in your bio, which you don't get to 1,000 followers anyways. But what I'm saying is I created a brand new link just to track the second account. Right now I have 0 clicks, and the only reason is because I made no videos for that yet. So my goal is to build up my audience before I even start pitching anything. So that's why I don't have any views on that yet. Hopefully, maybe by today, I will start doing some of those where I get a call to action to this specific link, okay? Of course, I have 99 followers. That's after day 1. Let me put, okay, I'm going to put after day 1. After day 1. That makes a little more sense because this is after day 1. Okay, so after day 1 stats, 1,042 likes. And then from there, I got 9 Instagram followers, which I don't care too much, but it's just, another way I'm building up my audience. So super cool that way. Now, let me show you some of my stats here, or some of my videos that I posted here. Let me show you my comment baiting one. This one actually did very well. It got over 2,000 views here. And I just want to show you what I did here, okay? So first of all, I have a really good headline. So noticing less TikTok views this month. Then what I do is I ask a question, or I tell them, hey, I'm going to make this training for you guys. If you guys want me to create it, comment, this below, and I'll show you how it works.
That's because TikTok completely changed their algorithm in May 2020. But that's okay. You just need to pivot and make some small changes. If I get enough interest, I'm going to create a...
So I say here, do you want me to make a new training for the new algorithm changes? And then...
on YouTube on the new changes and what you can do to get more views with the new algorithm.
And then I say, comment, I'm getting less views. If I get 50 comments, I'll make the free training. Okay, so this is called comment baiting. I'm getting people to comment on my TikTok posts. And you can see I have over 60 comments of people, saying I'm getting less views, I'm getting less views, I'm getting way less views, and stuff like that. Okay, so you can see that. And then some of these I'm like, hey guys, go to my new video on my YouTube channel, Passive Income Lifestyles, and look at the new video, blah blah blah. Okay, so you can see I'm commenting back on some of these as I can. And that one, like I said, did very well. Now, the other one I wanted to talk about is the comment reply video. So, for example, this person here said, I'm getting less views on TikTok. So I go over here and I say, I basically reply to their comment. This is a way I can engage with my audience, and a way that you can basically, answer the question, but to everyone, which is pretty cool. So you can see here, I'm replying to this person here.
Less views on TikTok. So I create a brand new...
And then this is called a green screen, guys. You can actually pull up a screenshot and then just show them, what you're trying to do, which is actually pretty cool.
On how the algorithm works. I go super in depth.
Anyways, but that's what I wanted to show you. And, the main thing I want you guys to understand is I have a enticing hook, an enticing headline every single time. I mean, that's the way I'm getting people to comment, to stop scrolling and watch my videos. Now, as far as my followers, I was trying to get to at least 150. Didn't get there, so I'm gonna have to up my pace a little bit. Let's do the math real quick. So, pace for 1,000 followers. Let me see here. So if I do the calculator, so I would need, so let's just say 900, divide that into 6 because I got 6 more days. So I still need about 150, the remaining days. So 150 per day, meaning I need this today. So hopefully I can get 150 followers for today, and then I'll be on pace to get the 1,000 followers in 7 days. So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value to you guys. Like I said, I'm documenting everything I'm doing, all the link clicks, or all the posts I'm doing. everything like that. I'm also going deep on my Facebook group. So if you want even more information, I'm actually documenting all this in my Facebook group. So anyways, we'll see you for day number 3, and then I'll give you the stats for day number 2, and we'll just keep going. So hopefully I'll get to that 1,000 followers. We'll see you guys soon, and God bless.